Hi, I'm Debbie from W Cosmetic Surgery, and I'm going to take you through the steps of how to care for your skin post-op laser. You're going to need to get your things ahead of time. You'll need 2 gallons of distilled water, white vinegar, ice cube trays, a lot of gauze, possibly some Crisco, and definitely Aquaphor. You're going to take a gallon of distilled water and you're going to take out 1/3 of a cup from each of those gallons. And you're going to add in 1/3 of a cup of vinegar into each gallon. From one of those gallons, you're going to make ice cubes out of the entire gallon of water. And you're going to store those in your freezer ahead of time in a nice Ziploc bag. You're going to make an ice bath for the day of surgery. In that ice bath, you're going to put a lot of gauze to soak. You're going to put mostly in the ice cubes from the vinegar water solution, and you're going to pour in a little bit of solution, but you want it mostly ice, so it's an ice cold bath. When you come home from surgery, you're going to have Aquaphor on the areas that were lasered. You're going to need to remove the Aquaphor prior to compressing because you really want that vinegar water to get on the skin and help it to heal quicker. So I will give you some Q-tips to gently glide them across the area and take off most of the residue. There'll still be a thin film, and that's okay. Put the dripping wet gauze onto the laser area and compress that for 15 to 20 minutes. You'll apply either the Aquaphor or the Crisco. I'll give you tongue depressors to apply it with. You'll want to mix it up ahead of time too, to make sure it's nice and creamy and it goes onto your skin easier. You'll want to compress every 15 to 20 minutes every hour while you're awake. When you sleep at night, you don't have to get back up to compress, but if you do get back up, make sure that that lasered area is still covered with either the Aquaphor or Crisco, and if you want to do another compress, you certainly can. If you have any questions, please call the office. We're always here to help you.